Welcome back to another episode. We have 33 degrees Celsius, 20 kilometers an hour winds with peaks of 35 kilometers an hour winds, so perfect conditions for a bike ride. It's gonna be super hot, but good ride.
So I keep to myself. I feel like I'm falling in and out of consciousness. Yeah. Now we starting to talk, let's killing all the progress. Really hard to process, you treat me like an object. Baby, we toxic, can we stay on topic? I feel like we lost it, feel like we lost it. Take my love, don't waste it. Even though I don't mind waiting. Latest my mind racing.
I'm gonna take it back. I just looked at my phone and it's got 36 degrees Celsius. Super nice conditions. I'm not actually sweating too much because it's such a dry heat. Not like a waterfall, if you know what I mean. But it's still, it's way too hot. The water in my water bottle, super warm, perfectly drinkable. I hope you get my sarcasm. I hate it. It's a beautiful day though. I shouldn't be complaining, but yeah, still, you get it. If you've ridden in that kind of heat, you know what I mean.
Pull me closer. Love's in the air, but I'm not breathing. Broken heart need repairing, you're the reason. On a hospital bed, the pain not leaving. Cupid arrows to the chest, I can't stop bleeding. If you gon' leave, gon' leave just like everybody else. If you don't like my company, then I'll do life by myself. Girl, your love like a drug, it ain't good for my health. Even though it's killing me, girl, I love you.
So, still quite hot as you can tell. Not feeling too great today. It might be because of the heat, but most likely it's a factor of a couple of things. Haven't really eaten that well in the last week. Haven't really slept that much, or at least the right hours, and also haven't drunken enough water, to be fair. Got interrupted by a bus. I thought he was going to go in there, which wouldn't make much sense because it's a dead end right there. But yeah, now just chill bike, chill ride home, mostly downhill, flat, nothing, no uphill anymore. Just take it slow. That's gonna be it for today's episode. Just a bike ride. Wasn't really anything great. Didn't really feel too well, but we went out, put a bike ride in. Nothing too fancy, no intervals, just super chill. Probably, I'll look it up, wait actually. Yeah, only 24.2 kilometers an hour. Super chill, but it is what it is. You know, beautiful day. That being said, hope you're doing well. Stay hydrated, especially with these temperatures, if it's hot wherever you're watching. That being said, peace.